Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. Today we're going to install the 828 air cleaner on this Milwaukee 8. This kit will include an air cleaner backplate, one velocity spacer, one air cleaner cover of your choice, a K&N air filter element, two gaskets, four standoffs with threaded studs pre-installed, four 1/4 by 3/8 button head cap screws, three 1/4 by 1 inch button head cap screws, and then four 1/4 inch flat washers, as well as the options to add the external breather system of your choice. Start by removing your air cleaner and air cleaner backplate, as well as all components inside of the air box. For a more in-depth installation video of this system, refer to the top right corner of your screen. But please stick around for the conclusion of this video. Install your external breather system following the instructions that came with it. For this application, we've opted to use the Outlaw external breather bolts. Place a gasket on both sides of the velocity spacer. Please note that the gaskets have a half moon cutout so that the gasket can mount flush against the throttle body where there's a small protrusion on the throttle body. Make sure to line up the cutout with the protrusion. With the velocity spacer having gaskets on both sides and lined up, put two of the 1 inch bolts through the backplate and velocity spacer. Thread those two bolts slightly into the throttle body. Now that it is held in place, put the third bolt through the backplate and velocity spacer. Now tighten all three bolts using the torque settings found in your manual. They are usually 40 to 60 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. After tightening, wait a couple of minutes and recheck the torque. The thick gaskets may crush some and relax the torque. Repeat 2 to 3 times to ensure proper torque. Thread the four standoffs into the backplate. Use 40 to 60 inch-pounds, again not foot-pounds. With the billet cover in place, place your K&N air filter on the air cleaner backplate. Place the four 3/4 inch screws that came with the cover, through the filter, and thread into the standoffs. Tighten to 20 to 30 inch-pounds. Tighten in a crisscross pattern, repeating 3 times to make sure it is evenly seated. If you have any questions about this installation or fitment to your application, please shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. Y'all ride safe out there.